Okay, Alvaro. So we're gonna do the tutorial for contours. The first thing I would do is pop up your Google toolbar, which would be these items right here. And the way that you do that is that you go to View, Toolbars, and make sure that this check is on Google. Once you have that, this toolbar should show up and we're ready to go. So the first thing I would do is add a location. In this case, you can type in any location that you want here, or you can, in this case, I have Vasquez Rock already preloaded on here because it's something that we're familiar with. So now we could select a region. In your case, you would select the lot or any surrounding area that you want within your project. And once you have it selected and kind of cropped out, you do grab, click on grab, and this a flat version of your site or an aerial snapshot should show up. Once you have this snapshot, you can click on it and go to the icon that says toggle terrain and click on that. As you can see, once you toggle terrain, it'll give you a 3D model of what is there, and it kind of just gives you any kind of geometric formation that would be there as the terrain. Once you have that, you click on this 3D model, you right click next, and you go to unlock. Click unlock and you'll see that this box turns blue. This means that you can edit this now, that you can do anything to it. You can delete it, you can double click it and delete the terrain, whatever you'd like. Now that we have this thing unlocked, we can click on it and go to the plugins, go to the contours, which you should already have. Click on contours and select an increment. In this case, we'll do 5 feet, and you could do up to 20 inches, 1 inch, whatever you want, but you know what, we'll just do 10 feet. So 10, and then we'll put the feet marker on there. Then we click OK, and our contours should come after we wait a little bit. Once the contours are there, the plugin automatically leaves this unlocked. So you can click on it and then we can hide it or delete it. It's at your discretion. Once we have the contours here, we can export these over to AutoCAD if you want it as a 2D drawing. And the way that we can do that is that we can go to our top view, which is this right here. And in order to export, we make sure that we go to camera and we make sure that parallel projection gets checked off, in order for it to give us a flat plane in the X and Y direction. Once we have that, we see that our contours are kind of out of focus. So what we do is that we go over to this toolbar that's called Zoom Extents. We click on it, and it's kind of centers everything, and it gets it ready to the 0, point in your grid in order to export. What we can do also, in order to get rid of all of these little marks right here that you see, all of these little kind of dash marks that mark the end of line work, is go to styles. I believe that would be in our in our Windows tool. So we go to Windows, Styles, Edit, and we get rid of extensions and endpoints and just leave the edges, and we can even get rid of profiles, or unless you want them a little bit darker, but that's up to your discretion. I just get rid of the profiles. We click the X and now we can go to File, Export, 2D Graphic, we'll call it Contours, and there is many options that you could do a PDF file, you can do an EPS file for Illustrator, you could do a bitmap, you can do JPEG. In this case, because I'm pretty sure that you work in AutoCAD or in Rhino or any CAD-based drawing software, we'll just do a DWG. You name it contours, you export. I had already done another one, but we'll replace it. We just wait for it to do it, and once this shows up, you're ready to open it in any CAD software that you use. And that's it. Call me or text me if there's anything that you are not sure about. It's faster to reach me at my cell phone if you text me, and I'll be able to answer your questions a lot quicker. Alright, Hope this helps.